Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to use an Android TV box, connecting, setup and more. It's very simple. Let's start. Turn off your TV. It's recommended that you turn your TV off when connecting or disconnecting devices. Connect an HDMI cable to the HDMI port on the Android TV box. You'll find this port on the back of the Android TV box. Connect the other end to an open HDMI port on your TV. You'll find the HDMI ports on the back of your TV or running along the side. Android TV requires an HDMI port and an HD TV. Connect the Android TV box's power cable. It will turn on automatically. Insert batteries into the Android TV box's remote. The remote should come with batteries, but you can use any two AAA batteries if you need to replace them. Turn on your TV. Press the power button on your TV's remote or the panel on your TV. Press the input or source button on your remote. The labeling will vary depending on your TV. Select the input for your Android TV box. You can cycle through the inputs until you see the welcome screen, or look at the label for the HDMI port you used and jump straight to it. Pair your remote, if prompted. If you see the remote pairing screen instead of the welcome screen, you'll need to manually pair the remote. After pairing you can watch TV and use too easy. Okay, I hope you understand, so if you like this video please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon button. Thanks for watching.